Oh, okay, so this push button is to indicate the refrigerator door. So if we press the button, it means that the refrigerator door is shut closely. But if we release this button, it means that the refrigerator door is still open. So after 30 seconds, the buzzer will alarm the user that the refrigerator door is still open. So we press to shut the refrigerator door. Okay, so for the LDR is to sense the ambient light. So during daylight, the LED will become dimmer, and during night, the LED will light up brightly. So if I put my finger on this LDR, as you can see, the LED light up brightly. It means that it is during night time. So if I release it, put over my finger, okay, you can see the LED becomes dimmer again. See, bright, dim. So dim means it's daylight. Okay, so for this potentiometer right here is to set the temperature of the refrigerator to 4 degrees Celsius. So if the temperature is more than 4 degrees Celsius, okay, as you can see, it will light up. Okay, so if we set the temperature to 4 degrees Celsius, you can see 4 degrees Celsius. As you can see, the LED right here won't light up, but if we increase the degree Celsius, as you can see right here, it's 38 degrees Celsius. You can see the LED will light up.